Restoring a QuickBooks backup is a crucial process that helps you recover your company data in case of a system failure or data loss. To begin, ensure you have a valid backup file with a QBB extension. This file contains all your company data, including financial information, customer details, and vendor information. First, open QuickBooks and select the File menu. Then choose Open or Restore Company. In the Open or Restore Company window, select Restore a Backup Copy and click Next. Browse to the location of your backup file and select it. Then click Open. In the next window, you will be prompted to choose a location to restore the file. Select a location and click Save. It is recommended to restore the file to a different location than the original file to avoid overwriting any existing data. Once you have selected the location, QuickBooks will begin the restoration process. This may take several minutes, depending on the size of your backup file. During the restoration process, QuickBooks will verify the integrity of the backup file and restore all the company data. After the restoration is complete, QuickBooks will prompt you to update your company file to the latest version. It is recommended to update your company file to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Best practices for restoring a QuickBooks backup include regularly backing up your company file, storing backup files in a secure location, and testing your backup files to ensure they can be restored successfully. It is also recommended to keep multiple backup files, in case one becomes corrupted or is lost. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your QuickBooks company data is safe and can be easily restored in case of a system failure or data loss. Regularly backing up your company file and testing your backup files can help prevent data loss and minimize downtime.